Hi everyone, welcome back to the Jodoo Masterclass series. If you're looking to master digital forms and data management, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to introduce how to set validations on form submission in Jodoo. This powerful feature allows you to set advanced restrictions for form submissions with custom fail prompts. Now, let's do it step by step. Here is an example of validating the current inventory of products. The current inventory should be more than 100 so that the product can be put on sale. First, we go to the design page. Click this field. In Form Properties, Validations on Form Submission, we click here to add the validation condition. Let's set the prompt for failed check first. We want the value more than 100, so enter the prompt. Then, we need to set the formula. Since we want to calculate the current inventory, we use the sum function here to calculate the sum of initial inventory and inbound quantity. Make sure it's greater than 100, otherwise, the form will fail to submit. Click OK to save the validation settings. The form design is also finished now, so save the form. Now I'd go back to the form filling page to show how it works. Fill out the form. Here I intentionally leave two small numbers. Let's try to submit the form. Oops, fail. Here we've received a notification we set just now. So, let me modify the quantity. It's more than 100 now. Submit again. Yes, success. And that's a wrap for form submission validation in Jodoo. With this feature, you can ensure the information you collect is more accurate and effective. So if you find this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an episode of the Jodoo Masterclass series. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.